What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about this. This is a Swiss Army knife. This is the SD edition, which is the most basic variant that you could find from your local Target or your hardware store. And let's begin. First of all, this is the keyring. It's one of the features apparently. And let's get down to the bread and butter of this knife, which is the small pen knife that you see here. I've been told that this is a 15-degree knife. The angle is 15 degrees on each side, and I have some scratch paper right here. And let's just show you guys how it cuts. So it cuts quite well, but it is a bit toothy, as you may have heard. But it's pretty good knife. It's made of stainless steel. We don't know the exact steel composition of this, but many people have speculated that it's just a good quality carbon stainless steel. Alright, next we are greeted with the file. The file is this neither side is sharp. This is the file side. The file I would say is a medium coarseness. This is like the if I could give you a point of reference, this was similar to a nail file that you may find at a salon or maybe at your house. And this tip right here, this is a flathead screwdriver. I don't know how strong this metal is. I wouldn't use that for prying or any other use, because I'm worried that this might break off if you were to do so. Next, we're greeted with Victorinox's infamous scissors. So, oops, right here. So these are Victorinox's scissors, and they're held together with this little wire, a piece of bent wire, and it can cut daily things like a piece of paper very easily. Not a very large long cut, but it's sufficient in what you needed to do, maybe opening a letter or something. So now that you've seen all the knives, there are two remaining bits and pieces, and this goes along with many of their other models. One is this. This is a simple toothpick. The other side, you get a pair of tweezers, which is good for picking out splinters or just small, very particulate matter. And it goes back in its sheath like this. Like so. So for me, basically, this I chose this particular Swiss Army knife because, one, it's blue, it looks quite nice, and I needed something that could be super lightweight and could follow me anywhere without raising too much suspicion. And basically I use this main knife to open packages and letters most of the time, so that is the use I have for this pen knife. It's very light duty work, very simple office-like work, and I haven't had the need to sharpen the blade yet, but it may need some sharpening soon. I may want to run it through my Spyderco Sharp Maker and see how sharp I could get this thing, because this is, I assume, a relatively soft steel, so it's easy to wear down, and it's also easy to resharpen and touch up once it does get dull. So that is the review of this Swiss Army knife in blue color.